nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. To my new subscribers, I welcome you, and thank you all for your love and support to my channel. Okay, we just finished our turkey dressing casserole, right? And if you want my recipe for my original Southern cornbread dressing, it's on my playlist under Southern/American or side dishes, okay? So, let's get some gravy going. And not everyone makes gravy, and not everyone wants the food with the roe and all of that thickening and stuff. So I'm going to show you a shortcut way to make some really good gravy that people love, and they really don't know the difference, okay? If they're not cooks, they really don't know the difference, and people who are cooks, they really love this because I love it, okay? All right, so hold on a moment. I'm going to flip and swip, and we're going to get started. Okay, we're going to start off with 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Campbell's cream of chicken soup. I have a little bit of shredded turkey here, and very finely shredded. I have, this is 3/4 cups of that turkey stock that was left over. And I add a little bit of water. I'm going to get this in here. Little housekeeping. I don't have to add in the salt because this stuff already has salt in it. But y'all know I'm a pepper girl. And I'm going to whisk this together, and I'm going to blend all this together. And I'll be right back. So guys, I don't do nothing off camera and not tell you. So I went on and added me an extra can of this cream of chicken soup. I added me a little extra. I'm going to add me a little water to it, okay? I'm going to take this and add me a teaspoon, just a teaspoon of this, and then this will go into 8 ounces of water, okay? This is what I'm using. This makes the best, broth to me, these granulated bouillon. And that also gives it some really good flavor. I love this stuff, and I'm telling you guys, those sick days, those broth days that I have, this is my go-to. And I need to move this out of the way before I drop it. It's like $2.88 or $2.98 or something like that. Now, what I do, I don't want those bits of chicken in mine, so I do strain it. And I'm going to strain this in my mesh strainer. Once I get this all nice and start boiling some. So I'll be right back, family. Okay, I'm going to take this over to my, take my both pots over to my sink and strain this because I don't feel like wiping down this stove again. Let's keep it real, okay? So I'm going to take this over there and strain this over there, and I'll be right back. See, I don't want that in there. So this will go over there for a little housekeeping. I don't even want it in there. So now I have this in here. I am going to add my shredded turkey. I love having the extra turkey in here. Okay. So this is all you have to do. This is easy, delicious gravy. And like I said, I am a pepper girl. And you can add a little salt if you want to, but it's totally up to you. I don't add salt to this because it has enough sodium in it from that, and my broth is from turkey, so a turkey that I had cooked. So I'm not leaving anything. And I don't need to taste this because I know what it tastes like. And so that's about it. So I'm going to show you guys, this is it. And I'm going to get a ladle, whatever you want to call it, so you can see. Okay, we're going to spoon this over that turkey dressing casserole I had made, uploaded previously. So we're going to get some of this. Oh, this looks so good. I got a little bit of this. Look at that. That easy turkey gravy. See what I mean? And some people like a little extra turkey on theirs and theirs. There it is. Voila. That's it. See how simple this is? And you can just remember, if you add 3 cans, you can double it. This is a double recipe. If you have more family, you can add 3 cans, 4 cans. Just always add. And if you don't have a lot of broth left from your turkey or your roasted chicken, you can always use the carton of broth. Now, if you're using 4 cans of cream of chicken soup, use an entire full carton, a 32-ounce carton of your chicken broth, chicken stock. It doesn't matter what brand, because it all came from a bird. Okay, all came from a bird, and that's it. But if you want more flavor, I suggest you get this herb box. I'm telling you, this will elevate your flavor too. I love that stuff. And so this is it. All right. Thank you guys for watching my really quick short video. I know you're probably saying, wow, she don't never have a short one. Okay, well, cooking takes time. I'm sorry, but this is it. That easy turkey gravy. That way, you know, so everybody don't want to fool with fat, scraping fat droppings off and dealing with roux, whatever you want to call it, whatever part of the world you in, other country or whatever, south, north, east, west. Everyone doesn't want to fool with that, and I'm just keeping it real and keeping it simple. So this is a perfect gravy to add to your dressing, your stuffing, your turkey, your roasted chicken. That's all it is. So until the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. And again, to those I would not see another video of mine before Thanksgiving, I wish you and your family a happy, safe, and blessed Thanksgiving. Always remember to be thankful, no matter what your situation is, because there's always somebody out there that's worse off than you. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.